Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to dynamically set a location in the Elementor Google Maps widget. This is helpful if you are creating pages for different locations and need the Maps widget to display a different location on each created page. Here I created a template page with the location placeholder. On this page I insert the Google Maps widget and set the location placeholder in the locations input for the map. The map will automatically jump to a random point, but you can ignore this. Save the template page and head over to your source file. This can be any source file, but I am using a Google Sheet. Here you can see I have added 3 locations to the location column. I'll grab the Google Sheet link and head back over to the LPagery dashboard. Here I just select the template page we just created and insert the link to my source file. Then I click on Next and go ahead and create the 3 pages. When I open the newly created pages, all pages have different locations in the map, so it worked. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.